The benefits of camping have been recognised for over 100 years, and the Camping and Caravanning Club has been ever present throughout the decades and the generations. As the guardians of camping, we're here for every type of camper, to preserve the right to enjoy the unmistakable feeling that camping gives you and your family. We are camping, making memories and sharing precious moments, bringing you closer to nature and closer to the ones you love. It can be a complicated journey to experience one of life's simplest pleasures, but we're here to guide you through the thousands of camping experiences we offer our members every year. Because to us, it's not just a hobby, it's a way of life.